Before the song of the morning birds, before wings ever caught the light of dawn, there were giants. They ruled the land, the seas, and the air, creatures so vast, their shadows darkened the world. And yet, their legacy has never left us. For in every feather that flutters above, lies the heartbeat of an ancient beast.
Echoes of the giants, how dinosaurs became birds.
For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled a living planet. They were kings and queens of survival, shaped by hunger, power, and change. But while the world saw strength, evolution was busy sculpting something new. Something lighter. Faster. Something destined for the sky.
Feathers began not as tools for flight, but as tools for life. Insulation against cold. Displays of beauty and dominance. Each strand a spark of possibility. The first whisper of wings yet to come. Evolution experiments. It doesn't leap, it crawls, climbs, and glides. These creatures were learning the language of the air, long before they learned to fly. In the shadows of the Cretaceous, evolution sharpened its masterpiece. The dromaeosaurs, the raptor lineage, were swift, cunning, and terrifyingly intelligent. Feathers wrapped their bodies, balancing them mid-hunt. They didn't need wings to dominate, only speed and precision. They were predators, but also prototypes. In them, the blueprint of flight had begun to unfold. Among the branches, the first sparks of true flight were born. Microraptor, a creature of both earth and air. Its four wings didn't soar, they glided, an evolutionary bridge between predator and bird. In these leaps of faith, evolution rehearsed for takeoff. Every glide, a step closer to the sky. 1861, Germany. A fossil was found that would rewrite the history of life. Archaeopteryx. Half reptile. Half bird. Teeth like a predator. Wings like a miracle. It was proof that the sky belonged to the descendants of dinosaurs. The ancient roar was fading, replaced by the first note of a song. 66 million years ago, the heavens fell. An asteroid, 6 miles wide, struck the Earth with the force of billions of bombs. The age of giants ended in fire. The world was silent, for a long, long time. But in the ashes of death, life whispered again. Tiny survivors, warm-blooded, feathered, and fast. They would rise from ruin, and inherit the wind.